kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki langot kinong mi khmat na Meghalaya ki brang shudap I no kamkum ki MLA but uway ubade u MLA klem Seng kebeladap ban penyesok pura bat ke Seng Bharatiya Janata Party gila pelong ke Jingeh lang bat kilat patai kubor menta ke janmit jong ka khatsan tarik unok pra arhajar arpuar. Kini kisah ngut ki kentop yo ba Himalaya sang pliang ka Ferlin Sangma u Benedict Marak bodu MLA klem Seng u Samuel Sangma. Uba ecam sang pliang haba ai jingkren ula Pynpaw ke Jingeh ka bau ya kendu ha ka por bo udan bat ka Seng TMC ha ka ba teng juyo ya kalat ban ya kendu kinong mi khman ki bana po ka sarkar pedeng ha ka por ba ki kwa ban ya kendu ula ong ba Hapoh ka BJP kinong kit kam bat kinong mi khman ki kloi ban ya kendu bat ya ram bat kloi ru ban ai ka jingshakri ka ba pura ya ki pat ba uba sang pliang ula ya thu ru badai kipat ba ka constituency ke jong u ki bakwa ye u bu unrung sha ka Seng BJP namar bekila yu I ka jingle bha jong ka sarkar BJP Hapoh ka Jingeh lam jong menteri rang ba du kari Narendra Modi shu la Pynpaw ru ba hadu menta ya u khaw bala sam do Narendra Modi hakipor bawan ning shop ka khlam covid khat khandai ka nam ka dang sa hadu menta hari khasi kum u khaw Modi.
The changes that we want to bring in the state, the development that we want to give to the people. There is a lot that we should be doing for the state. The roads and communication that we want to bring. We want to bring bigger roads. We want to build bridges. We want to give roads to the rural areas. The PMGSY right now is also not extended to most of the rural areas. We would like to see an extensive development of rural roads in the next 5 years, and we would like to bring medical colleges, engineering colleges, wherein the youths of the state would get an opportunity to study in these colleges instead of going outside the state to study. Getting seats in medical colleges and engineering colleges have become a big pain and big problem for our youth. If we have our own colleges, it would be a lot beneficial for them. We would like to bring a lot of development for the rural areas as well, wherein we would like to give rural housing for the poor. The JJM would have to go in a more larger scale, though it is being implemented now. We would like to see every household getting a water connection. We would like to see many other developments in the health sector as well. We need good hospitals in the state. We would like to have a massive cancer hospital coming up. We would like to know a lot of schools to come up. In fact, government schools, government colleges should be coming up. Therefore, if I count the list, it is endless. There's a lot of things for us to do. And this can be possible only through the help of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, because it is through his hands and through his visions and dreams that we can convert Meghalaya under the banner of the BJP. And that is why I joined the BJP. Very well, the Congress had undergone a lot of crisis in between. In the 2020-21, there was a crisis at the center level, there was a crisis in the state, and there was like-minded friends who came out from the Congress, and we joined the Trinamool Congress at that point of time. Trinamool Congress eventually was not acceptable to my people in my constituency. I tried to convince my people, and they were saying that it is not a party where they would love to be in. And they were the one who suggested me to go to the BJP, because the rural people in my constituency, they understand how much Modi ji has helped them during the COVID time. Even till date, the rice that Narendra Modi ji had given is popularly known as Modi's rice. In Khasi they call cow Modi. So even that is so popular now. Therefore, the people themselves have asked me, please go to BJP, and that's how I am here in BJP. This was functioning. It was not possible even to meet any central leaders of the Congress whenever we went to Delhi to meet them. Leave aside meeting Sonia Gandhi. And yesterday, at one instance, the appointment was kept at 2 p.m. and the national president of the BJP, JP Nadaji, was present there at 2 p.m. to meet us. That is the way the commitment is seen by us. That is the difference that is seen by us. That means the leadership under the BJP are disciplined. The leadership under the BJP means business, and they are committed to serve the people.
Kaferlin CA Sangma kabadai ka MLA Barim jo ka Selsela constituency bat kabala penya so bat ka Seng BJP rangshen habakren ha ka Jingeh lang bat kilat patai khubor kala Pynpaw ba Hapoh jo ka Jingdon ka jong ka Hapoh ka Seng Congress ka khrem shem lala ba nei rai ki Jingdawa bat bun sien kirai ba ka shemru amdan ba khen snam Kaferlin kalaong ba ka Jingrung ka jong ka sha ka Seng BJP kadai Hapoh ka babiang bat kala shem ya ka rai da ka basngap iki pat ba jong ka Selsela constituency.
I can only speak on behalf of, in respect of my own constituency only. See, many a times there are occasions where my voices were not heard, my decision was not honored, and I have suffered, a lot of pain and humiliation, but I have taken it in a very positive stride so that I can move on. I won't have any comment on that because, as I have already made it, or the party leaders have already categorically stated after our resignation that they have already, even for that matter, State President Dr. Faluki has made it very clear that they have already decided, filling somebody else in our place. So there is no room for us. So when there is no room in our brother's house, we have to go and look for a room in our father's house. That is why till the end we have been so patient, we have waited for the term to come to an end. And it is time for us to move on. It is not an overnight decision, but it is a long-drawn, conscious move so that we can also move on. As we are already a committed leaders, we are a committed representative of our respective constituencies. So we have our own responsibilities to move on. That is the reason we have to look for a better and bigger platform to serve and deliver the people of our respective constituencies in particular, and the people of the state in general in a much better way. That why we have been bound to lead the party is, I think it's a open secret kind of. Long before we quit the party, everyone is aware that being the party MLA, being the ruling party, NPP party MLA, we have been sidelined in many ways. We have been, even in our own constituencies, we have no say, and, literally, we were kind of driven out. But nevertheless, we gracefully follow, we gracefully accept whatever our leaders are taking, a kind of decision. And it is open to everyone that it is a predetermined plan by the party against us. Late. In fact, we have taken the decision in the right time. Yes. Because that's why I have made it. I'm making it very categorical that this is a very, very conscious move. I have to decide with my people. I cannot take decision on my own because I have been voted by my people. So I have to go and explain to my people also about my decision.